Short on Vbucks for that amazing new skin or battle pass. Let's load you up with Vbucks using your debit card, quickly and easily. First, launch Fortnite on your device. PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, or mobile. The process is almost the same on any platform. Now, head to the in-game store, usually found in the main menu or a separate tab. Find the Vbucks icon, usually shaped like a stylized V. You'll see various Vbucks bundles with different amounts and prices. Choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Click on the price. This brings up the payment options. Select debit or credit card. Ensure it's the debit card option. It may show a Visa or MasterCard logo. Carefully enter your debit card details, card number, expiration date, the CVV code on the back, and billing address. Double check for accuracy. After entering everything, review the details and click purchase or confirm. Your Vbucks will be added instantly. Go enjoy your new Vbucks.